friends, welcome back Free Automation Learning channel and my name is Chirag. Today we are going to discuss about a new feature of TestNG, that is what is a TestNG.xml file. So basically you already heard that TestNG provides a XML file. Through this XML file we can run our test cases, and how we can run and what is this TestNG.xml file and how we can create, we will discuss in this video. So today agenda would be what is TestNG.xml file. So basically TestNG provide a feature that we can just run our test cases by right click through Eclipse, or we can run our test cases through TestNG XML file. So this TestNG XML file can be run by through command prompt, or we can run by ant build tool, or we can run by through Eclipse. So we will discuss this thing. So what is contains in TestNG XML file? We create our, or we can modify our TestNG XML file in such a way so that we can run our test scripts in which manner we need to run, right? Basically this TestNG.xml file comes into a picture when we run a regression suite, or we have to run number of test cases. So we just give that test cases in this TestNG.xml file and we run from one place. So at that time we need to use this TestNG.xml file. And second point is what is it use. So I already discussed it uses or it come into picture when we need to run our number of test cases, and when we need to run our this TestNG test cases through ant build tool or Maven tool. So that time we just call this TestNG.xml file. So how we can create this TestNG.xml file, we will discuss in this in coming moments. And how to run, we also discuss this TestNG.xml file, how we can run, we also discuss this thing, right? So let me open my Eclipse. So this is my Eclipse, and I'm going to create a folder in this demo TestNG project. This my folder name would be test suites, and click on finished. And here I'm going to create a new TestNG.xml file. So how we can create, first I am going to show you this, and first let me show you how this TestNG.xml file same display, right? How it can be seen. So this basically test.xml file can be, you can see that it would be look like that this way, right? So basically this is my suite, and this suite name, this is test name, this is classes, this is one class is called, and this is a method. This method will be called in this TestNG.xml file. So basically this is the file which is come under test output folder, right? So this is by default file which is created by TestNG. So this is just a file, I just wanted to show you this, right? And this is a TestNG field XML, the test cases which has been filled, it comes automatically in this TestNG field.xml. So this is one of the interview question. Interview will usually ask how we can run the field test cases through XML. So we can tell that there would be a test output folder created by TestNG, and under our test output folder there would be a file that name is TestNG field XML. In by using that file we can run our failed test cases, right? So let me close this, and I will create a new file. How we can create in this real world or automation, right? So as I already created a folder test suits, now I'm going to create a new. Just go to others, and there would be XML file. I click on this and I will provide the name of this TestNG.xml file and clicked on finished. So basically this my TestNG.xml file is created, right? I will give the tags of this TestNG.xml file. As first I need to give the suite name, so I will provide let me one more thing. I need to just go and copy this. So that I do not need to write this again, right? So this is my suite name, and suite name would be my regression or you may say smoke, right? And another would be my test. So this is all the thing we already discussed. Test would be this smoke would run on window test, right? And after that there would be a classes. So we just this would be my classes, and under classes I need to, so this is the thing that in this TestNG.xml we can call our test cases the manner in which I need to run, right? So suppose I need to run my this tutorial to classes through this TestNG.xml. So I will write the code for that, and in this we can include the methods, we can exclude the methods, we can include groups, we can exclude groups. So we will discuss in other video. In this video we just keep or stick into a basic that how we can create this TestNG.xml file and how we can run, right? So I need to my test you message scenario or my requirement is like that. I need to run tutorial 2 through my this TestNG.xml. So how can I run? I am going to show you, right? So this is my tutorial 2, and I need to copy the package name here, and after that I need to just give me a moment. I need to copy the class name, right? Put period or dot here and save it. So this is the small or basic approach, or you can say this is the basic TestNG.xml format and how we can create. Now if I run this TestNG.xml, so this tutorial 2 would run, right? So let me click on this TestNG.xml file, right click on this and run as TestNG suite. So you can see there would be a TestNG suite comes when I click right click on TestNG.xml file. When I click on this, and you can see that testing is good is run, and you can see the smoke. My this suit name is smoke, and there is a one test is run successfully. So this is the, if you can see that this would be a display, and you can see that we can see this testing is good has been displayed on the console. So how so this way we can create a testng.xml file, right? Suppose I need to invoke one more class. Let me write this, or maybe this. Okay, I need to call this tutorial file in my TestNG XML. So how can I do? I just go and paste it, and here I need to write 5. So at that time my 2 test cases has been run successfully. So let me right click and run as test suite. So we will see what will be the output, right? So you can see my first test case has been run successfully. Now it will run my second test cases. That would be it invoke Firefox browser, and after launched Firefox browser, it's just search gmail.com and finished. And if I see that, you can see this testing is good. Now this is all the log of the geo on this Firefox browser, and if you can see, there would be 2 test case has been run successfully. So this is all about the testng.xml file, how we can run our test cases through testng.xml file, right? So hopefully you understand the basic concept of testng.xml file, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.